Hello everyone, my name is Sam. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I came here for the hair transplant last week, which was I think 22nd of October, and today is 26th of October. It's been 5 days which I've done my hair transplant. The day when I walked in, concerned with the doctor, it was really good. I got all the answers before my hair transplant. On the second day I came for the surgery. There was about, I can't remember exactly, but there was like 12 to 15 people around me, including Dr. Ashutosh, and they started doing the surgery. I was a bit nervous in the beginning, but as the time passed, I felt really confident. They were pretty good staff, fantastic environment. People were awesome. Dr. Ashutosh, he was such a good doctor. In fact, he's a really good singer. While he was doing the surgery, I didn't even realize that he's doing anything to me because there was no pain, to be honest. I was on anesthetic. They put like 2-3 needles, I can't remember how many. And the transplant done was really good. Probably I think there was like 6,500 grafts they put in altogether in one day, which is not easy to do. It's a really hard process to finish 6,000 plus grafts. Anyway, but after the surgery I went home. I got a call from the Elegance staff saying, did you reach home? Is there any pain? A couple of days later happened same thing. Are you in any pain? Do you have any doubts? So the staff, the environment, everything was fantastic. If I really had to recommend anyone to in India, I'll definitely, number one priority will be Elegance. There may be thousands in India, but my personal opinion, first stop will be Elegance. That's my personal opinion, and because I searched a lot for a bit, and I have my own personal experience now, and I'm really happy with it. Thank you guys. God bless everyone.